Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and you're watching CGHOW video, and today I have created this effect, and this will be from scratch, but I have already created the base of this effect in my previous tutorial. I'll show you, and I have also uploaded the file on Patreon so you can download and check. I'll show you how. So let's start this tutorial. So before creating this, you need to go to YouTube CGHOW channel, and 2 weeks ago I created this tutorial slender location to this effects in UE4.27, and the output of this tutorial is this. In this effect is bursting altogether, and I use just the same file and change the color, and these are animating, not bursting. So you need to watch this tutorial, 12-minute tutorial. This is from scratch, so you will definitely create this effect. And if you are my Patreon, you can just go to this download link. It will redirect you to this, and you can download from here this package. So if I click on it, it will download, and when you open this, you can extract this, and then you will have this project. Okay, so you will have this. When I'm playing, it's bursting. So I highly recommend, because I'm now converting this effect to my this effect. I will convert this now.